Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be weekly planning, and I'm going to be planning in my schedule planner, which is my life planner. This is the very first planner in my system, and I use this as my catch-all, my hub of everything that's going on for the entire week. So we're going to flip to the next page. So we're going to be planning the week of the 18th all the way up till Christmas Eve. So I am going to be using the winter sticker book from Happy Planner, just because we do have some Christmas stickers in here that I am planning on using. I'm also going to be using my colorful boxes. These are from my shop, and I love to use colorful boxes in order to highlight different things that are happening throughout the week. So let's go ahead and get started. I love to start on my sidebar. This is where I'm going to keep up with everything that's coming up for the very next week, and also what's coming up on YouTube. So I've added all of the events that are coming up next week here. And then I have the things that I am planning to post to YouTube here. So as I finalize everything that's coming out this week, I'm going to add all of these videos here. Now I'm going to start planning my week, which this week is pretty light. I don't have as many meetings. I have a couple throughout the week, but not as many as I normally would, just because it's the holidays. And I do have some filming and orders to get out, but other than that, it's a pretty light week. So I'm just going to start writing in my to-do list and the different things that are coming up. I'm gonna add in my AM routine. I am planning on going live on Monday, so I do want to add that. And then after this, we are just going to do my PM routine, and I'm going to keep track of my dinners right at the 10 o'clock time, because this is the time that I am usually sleeping by then. So I do like to keep track of my dinners. It's not the time that I actually eat, it's just where I like to keep track of what I have eaten. Now we're just going to move on to Tuesday. I do have a Taco Tuesday event with some friends. So I'm gonna mark that down, and we're still in the middle of Vlogmas. So I know I'm going live on Monday, but I would like to post my video on Tuesday, at least by 3 o'clock. I like to get it out earlier if I can, but I would like to have it out to y'all by 3 p.m. I'm marking that off on Tuesday and Wednesday. I also just realized I'm going live on Wednesday as well. I'm going live with people who registered for the organized business class. This is basically a recap of last week's event, because the internet was really bad in the place where we were in, and I wanted to make sure that the information that I was talking about in that class got to you all. So we are redoing that event. If you're interested in registering for this class, I will leave the link below, but it's going to be this Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. Central. I have a client meeting on Wednesday as well. And also Dasher has a grooming appointment. If you didn't know, we recently got a cat, and so he has a grooming appointment this upcoming Wednesday. And so I wanted to mark that off. Okay, so this is the first half of my week. it is done. We have added all of the appointments and things that I have coming up this week. And now we are going to flip over to the rest of the week and finish filling out everything that's coming up. Sunday is Christmas Eve, so I am going to mark that off. This Sunday is going to be a completely virtual service because we wanted all of our volunteers to be able to enjoy Christmas with their families. So we are going to be virtual for this Sunday. So I'm just going to add in the things that I have to do. So this is when my planner starts to get really light. I'm going to finish wrapping my girls' gifts by the 22nd. I have been wrapping all week, probably since like the 1st of December, and just adding things under the tree. Let's add in some more stickers. So I can add more stickers because usually I'm trying to save room, but I know I don't have much going on during this week because of Christmas. So we're going to add a couple of more stickers. So this is what my planner looks like so far. And this is how it normally looks. I usually have way more going on at the beginning of the week than I do at the end of the week, but I will write in more and add in more as it goes. Now it still ends up looking a little bare, but I will write in a little bit more as the week kind of goes on, and I am tracking different things that I need to do. But I bake in a lot of my rest on the weekends. That's why I like to keep it as light as I possibly can, because I am planning more rest around that time. So I do this routine every single week. After I do this, the only other section where I will go and kind of set up is in my to-do section. So in my to-do section, this is where I keep a list. It's a running list. It's just a brain dump of everything that I need to do. And I don't usually set this one up ahead of time. I will just usually add a couple boxes and add the date. And then as that day comes up, I will jot down everything that I need to do for that day. So that is what we're going to do here. I'm just going to add in the days of the week and then add some boxes, and then that's going to be it. And the boxes that I am adding in, I am always adding them in for my YouTube videos just to keep track of everything that I have posted. So as you can see, this is how it looked last week. All of the boxes are related to the different videos that I'm going to post throughout the week on YouTube. So that is it. By the end of the week, I will add more stickers and add different things, but that is all I do. And so this entire process really does not take me long. I know a lot of times when I talk about how many planners that I have and how I'm planning in multiple planners, usually people will question how long this process takes me. This took me about 20 minutes to set up, and the majority of that is because I am filming. I felt like if I was not filming, it probably would take me 15 minutes or less to do this process. So you should definitely take the time to plan out your week. It's going to save you so much time throughout the course of your week. So guys, I hope that this video has helped you, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.